What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button for Mr. Algorithm. First name Al, last name Gorithm. We have Hua Chenyu, airplane mode, official music video. Let's go. It's been a while. But we're back to it. If you enjoy the video, please let me know down below. He was one of the artists that kind of was at the beginning of this channel, actually. There's a lot of, you can find, I'll leave at the end of the video, there should be a link in the video to the playlist for Hua Chenyu, because he's an incredible artist. Like Michael Jackson level, but unknown to that extent, which is sad. Which is funny how worldwide stardom works, I guess. Maybe he is known to that extent. I don't know. I'm just a dude from, experiencing social media, experiencing the internet from my little humble hovel here on the west coast of Canada. Let's go. Hua Chenyu, airplane mode. I know airplane mode. That's the captain of the plane tells you, put your phone in airplane mode before you take off. All right. I'm having some technical difficulties. All right, let's bring that back. That beginning part, I really like it. Let me go, let me go. Look at that outfit and the mullet. His vocal presence is so charismatic. Ring like a bomb, like a bomb. Is the translation correct here? Please remember to pay your mortgage. Please remember to pay your mortgage, folks. It's very important. Dial 1-800-937-6692 to pay your mortgage. It's very important. I hope you understand that. Dial 667-2396 to get a special deal today on your mortgage, and we'll send you a special lunch kit, right? Please remember to pay your mortgage. I don't know if that the translation is right. Please remember to pay your mortgage. Okay. These translations are not correct. I might have to ignore them. Survival depends on improvisation. Freedom of bus ride. These are not correct. I got to turn these off. I'm sorry. I'm just going to focus on the music. Boom, like a... Yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, he's playing it. Let Yeah. Hey. That strut. Yeah.
没人当歌手，千篇一律，高手寂寞，即使不惑，全都摆着。Ring like a bomb, like a bomb, yes sir， 精疲力说，枪起风雨中，浓水不消，啤酒周报没尽头，沐浴半永久。
You know, sonically and just composition wise, it definitely seems pretty incredible. And it's pretty sad that as a, you know, different nations don't consume art. Different nations don't consume art the same way. I wish that our nation, you know, my nation, my nation. What am I talking about? But here in Canada, like, if I didn't do YouTube, there was no way I would ever see this. Some people might say, you're only doing this to try to get views, but I'm actually trying to do this to expand my musical horizon, to expand my musical experience, which is a cool thing, because there's no way I would have heard this music specifically if I didn't have YouTube. I would have never heard it. Even on my Spotify, like, playlists, you know, you have to search out. You really have to search out music when you want to find new music. You have to search it out hard. You have to go and search it out. Like, you have to go search it out if you want to find new stuff. And there's so many different years, and there's so much music to discover that you could never listen to it all. There's so many movies. There's only so much art that you can kind of ingest and experience. But I'm glad I was able to discover at least a little bit of Hua Chenyu's art. But I do wish I knew Cantonese a little better. And look at that outfit. Boom like a bomb. Let me go, let me go. Let me go. Let me go, let me go. Okay. I get it. Yeah. I got you. All right. All right, everybody. It's been a while. Beautiful. Yeah, like I said before, different interpretations, different art that we are able to receive depending on where you live on this earth. It's interesting. Hua Chenyu, he's a Chinese superstar, which I'm not exposed to much, but I still am able to understand that music to a degree. Lyrically, there's things you can't understand, but as a universal medium, you can always find new ways to interpret it. Let's do an outro today. Let's do an outro. All right. Let's find it. Let's go, everybody. This is gonna be fun. All right. Let's find a beat for y'all to enjoy. This is gonna be fun. All right, just give me a second. Give me 1 sec. All right. This is music. All you gotta do is choose it. It's not an illusion. Hope that y'all can understand and break through the confusion. This is music. It's not an illusion. I hope that y'all can make it through this confusion. Here we go. Keep it smooth, like the needle in the groove. It's too loud for my eardrums, and my tear ducts are crying. But I wanna make an alliance with anybody who is listening in this current moment. Zoning, honing on a zone. I know that I'm always owning every single second with the pencil, with the pen. Hope that y'all can comprehend what I'm writing on the paper. I'm not writing anything this time. This is not a caper. It's not a heist. It's not a place where I wanna be the one to commit a happy today, everything is amazing. Happy today, everything is amazing. Happy today, everything is amazing. Let's raise the bar. Let's gaze at stars. I'm sitting on Mars. Everything is amazing. Let's raise the bar. I'm gazing at stars. I'm sitting here looking up at the sky and I'm seeing Mars. Man, I'm like a spaceman, not gonna stop cause I'm in space. I'm on a spaceship. I hope genuinely that I'm gonna win the race. That's the case. I know that I'm gonna face any single problem that comes. Winning every single day. I hope that y'all know that I'm gonna slay any single dragon that comes into my vision. I'm always gonna be winning every single second. Y'all know that I'm gonna wreck it for the record. I gotta keep spinning and I keep it rhythmical. It's not a real word, but I know that I'm real absurd every single day, and I keep it real absurd. That's the way that I spit it. I'm so terrific, yes I'm so wicked, kinda like the witches way back in the Wizard of Oz. But I know that I'm gonna keep on going for this cause. Keep on singing, keep on bringing something amazing. Yes, I'm ringing through your ears. Have no fear, we gotta persevere. Year after year, keep it clear. This is a freestyle. I know that this is some me style. for a wee while. I keep it flowing, keep it going, keep it growing, showing everybody that I'm golden when I'm on a microphone. I'm never gonna stop, and you know that I'm simply owning every single motherfucking second that I'm on a microphone. I gotta rip it for the record, you know that I'm always gonna take it, make it, break it, shake it down to the foundations. When I'm on a microphone, I lost my patience, and I never lose a step. In fact, let me grab it, it's my habit to cause havoc, run right into traffic. Yes, I'm a bastard, but that is the way that I will spit it. But I spit that magic. This is it. When I'm on a microphone, you know that I am gonna grab it. That's the way that it goes. That's the way that we're always going to flow. Sing, bring something new to the track, because this is a improvisational second. Then I'm on a microphone, you know that I will wreck it. Like Moonfall, a bad movie. Y'all know that I keep it groovy. Roland Emmerich, I'm on a microphone like the Jesuit. Fremen.